What should I choose?
Indeed, a classic mortal dilemma.
What if I choose the wrong thing?
Then you choose again. It's a machine, not fate.
It feels like fate.
It sells moon snacks. Calm down.
What's this one?
A mystery potion that either gives you enlightenment or turns you into a screaming one free existential crisis.
That one's free?
Comes with every purchase.
Whoa, that explains. I've had like 5.
You're a loyal customer.
That tastes disgusting. Ugh.
Happens to the best of us. Let's get nachos.